Morning routine. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll take you through my morning routine step by step. Let's start the day right. Scene 1. Waking up. The first thing I do when I wake up is turn off my alarm clock. I yawn and stretch, getting my body ready for the day. After a few deep breaths, I get up, open the curtains, and let the sunlight in. Scene 2. Tidying up. Next, I make my bed. It's such a small task, but it makes the room feel instantly tidy. Scene 3. Freshening up. I head to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I rinse my mouth and feel instantly refreshed. I take a few minutes to apply moisturizer and sunscreen to take care of my skin. Scene 5. Breakfast time. Now it's time to prepare breakfast. I boil some water for coffee, pour it into my favorite mug, and cook a simple meal like eggs and toast. I eat slowly, enjoying every bite, and drink a glass of water to stay hydrated. Sometimes, I like to read the news, or write down my goals for the day in my journal. Scene 6. Quick exercise and meditation. To energize my body, I do a quick workout, or stretch for 10 minutes. Then, I spend a few minutes meditating to calm my mind and focus on my goals. Scene 7. Final touches. Before leaving, I pack my bag with everything I need, tie my shoelaces, and make sure I'm ready for the day. I also like to water my plants. It's a small act that makes me feel connected to nature. Scene 8. Leaving the house. I grab my keys and wallet, say goodbye to my family, and head out the door feeling confident and ready to tackle the day. And that's my morning routine. Starting the day with simple habits like these helps me stay productive and positive. What does your morning routine look like? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you next time.